The first step in this project is to make a scrunchie. Then you'll want to take a piece of some drapey fabric and cut it into a 30-inch by 30-inch square. So this is the square piece of fabric. However, for the next few steps, I'll be using a sample piece of fabric just because it's easier to show that on camera. So taking your square piece of fabric, you'll take opposite corners of the square and bring these together so that you form a triangular piece of fabric, and you'll want to cut along this folded edge of the fabric. So that you end up with two triangular pieces. Okay, we'll then continue working with just the one triangle, and what you want to do is create a hem along all three edges of this triangle by folding it over and sewing along all three of these edges. So this is the actual piece of fabric all sewn and pressed. So what you want to do with your now triangular piece of fabric is taking the corner that lies opposite to a straight edge, you want to bring these two pieces together by pleating the fabric. Okay, so that is what we will do on our actual piece of fabric. Again, working from the corner, you will simply use your fingers to pleat right up to the flat edge. So there's nothing precise about this step, we are just forming pleats with our fingers. Then hold that piece that you just pleated in your hand. Then you'll take your scrunchie, which you already created, and bring these two pieces together. Then on the scrunchie, look for the exposed seam. And this is where you want to tie the knot of the scarf piece, so that this seam is covered. Okay, make sure the knot is tight. Position the scarf as you would like it, and there it is. Your project is complete. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.